Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the app. Open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to share. First, make sure your device location is on. High accuracy is best. Then confirm WhatsApp has location permission. Choose while using app or always if you plan continuous sharing. Once done, tap the attachment or plus icon in the chat. This first step gets everything ready so the app can access precise coordinates. Now move on to choosing the exact location option. Now you pick how to share. Tap location, then decide between send your location or share live location. Use the blue dot to represent your current spot or drag the map to pin a different place. If you choose live location, select a duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, and then tap share. You can add a short caption to clarify why you're sharing. Make sure the pin matches what you expect. This avoids sending a nearby but wrong address. To finish, tap send for a one-time location or start to begin live sharing. The map message appears in the chat for recipients. If you need to stop live sharing, open that message and tap stop sharing. If the pin looks wrong, first toggle GPS off and on or restart WhatsApp. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Also recheck location permissions and accuracy settings. If problems persist, reboot the phone. That simple reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.